Welcome to Little Sycamore School. Let's learn together. Today's letter is F. The letter F is a consonant. This is an uppercase or capital F. This is a lowercase f. F, fish, f. A letter detective looks for letters everywhere. Inside and outside. In books, on signs, on roads, on objects, everywhere. Even if you can't read a certain word yet, that's okay. Keep looking for letters. Please help our bear detective find the letter F.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
You can be a letter detective too. Always be on the lookout for letters all around you. Let's look for the letter F on the calendar. We can see it in the word Friday, a day of the week, and in February, a month of the year. Let's listen for the F sound at the beginning of words. We'll use our fox pointer to pick the words that have the F sound at the beginning. Fish, shark. Fish, fish. Baseball, football. Football, football. Shoes, footprints. Footprints, footprints. 4, 7. 4, 4. 5, 6. 5, 5. Firefighter, doctor. Firefighter, firefighter. Figs, apples. Figs, figs. Water, fire. Fire, fire. Toes, fingers. Fingers, fingers. Letters, sounds, and words with furry friends. Ellie and Jack are peeking through the fence. Riley is at the farmer's market to buy dog biscuits. Louie is pretending to be a firefighter. Ellie and Jack are having fun. Baby Charlotte is having fun with a football. The cat is walking down the fence. Jack is in a field of flowers. Ellie has her favorite toy. Jack has his favorite toy. Louie has his favorite toys too. Louie and Charlotte are football fans. Jack and Ellie are folding towels. Baby Riley is eating food from his dish. He has a pink football. The three friends are dressed up for the 4th of July. Louie found a fan. Ellie is by a fire hydrant. Let's review. The name of this letter is F. The sound this letter makes is F, fish, f. The letter F is a consonant. This is an uppercase or capital F. This is a lowercase f. The letter F is all around us. Knowing the name and the sound of the letter F will help us read, write, spell, and speak.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Great job! You've learned so much about the letter F. Check out more teacher-created educational resources on Amazon and YouTube from Sycamore Press.